Let's talk about love. Is it anything and everything you offer? I didn't feel it on you. I didn't feel it on you.
Maybe the night that my tears might let me know. Only stars are those, sure. Only stars are those, sure. Only stars are those. Maybe the night that my tears might let me know. Only stars are closer. Only stars are closer. Only stars are closer.
Tell me what you gon' do to me. Confrontation ain't nothing new to me. You could bring a bullet, bring a sword, bring a morgue, but you can't bring the truth to me. Fuck you and all your expectations. I don't even want your congratulations. I recognize your false confidence and calculated promises all in your conversation. I hate people that feel entitled. Look at me crazy cause I ain't invite you. Oh, you important, you the moral to the story. You endorsing, motherfucker, I don't even like you. Corrupt a man's heart with a gift. That's how you find out who you dealing with. A smart percentage you I'm building with. I want the credit if I'm losing or I'm winning. On my mama, that's the realest shit.
Let's talk about love.